This is English for quarter 3, week 2. Write your name before we begin. Our week's topic is recognizing sentences and non-sentences. And another is recognizing telling and asking sentences. So we have two topics for this week. What I need to know. This module is designed and written with you in mind. It is developed to help you recognize sentences and non-sentences, as well as to recognize telling and asking sentences. The lessons are arranged following the standard sequence of the course. So after going through this module, you are expected to, first, recognize telling and asking sentences, recognize sentences and non-sentences. Second, differentiate telling and asking sentences. Third, identify telling and asking sentences. And lastly, construct simple sentences orally. So what do we mean by sentence? So sentence is a group of words or phrases that tells a complete thought. We've discussed this already in mother tongue, and also it was mentioned in Filipino. So this is simply called pangungusap or panaysay. So in Filipino, it was mentioned this as pangungusap. In mother tongue or in Bicol, we also use the word pangungusap, and also we also use the word panaysay. So if it tells a complete thought, or simply if it tells a story, then we can say that it is a sentence. How about a non-sentence? So what do you mean by non-sentence? So from the word connected with sentence, non, it means not. So the opposite of sentence is non-sentence. If it doesn't tell a story or if it is incomplete, then we can say that it is a non-sentence. So from what is explained here, so sentences are merely group of words or phrases. Parirala in Filipino. Okay. So we have identified what a sentence and non-sentence are. Okay, next is another term that we need to explain or to define is telling sentence. So from the word itself, telling, tell is the root word. So simply it tells a story or a statement. It ends with a period. So if you just stating something, or if you just saying something, if you are telling a story, and then if it ends with a period, then it is a telling sentence. Okay, aside from telling sentence, we also have asking sentence. From the word itself, asking. So it asks a question. So it ends with a question mark. So these are the common questions. They start with the WH. We have the what, who, where, when, how, and why. And also, those that can be answered with yes or no. So those are also asking sentence. So we there is a brief explanation of what a sentence is, a non-sentence, a telling sentence, and what is an asking sentence. We move now to page 2. What can I do? Activity 1, color the box green if it is a sentence and red if non-sentence. So there is a picture first of what the sentence is, and then beside is a box wherein you need to color it with either green or red, and then there is the given a statement or item. Okay, for number 1, Maria is reading a book. Maria is reading a book. So green if it is a sentence, red if not. Number 2, the cat. The cat. Number 3, mother is drinking water. Mother is drinking water. Number 4, the school. The school. And then number 5, I miss a period here. So kindly include a period at the end. Sorry. So the frog is resting. The frog is resting. Okay, take note. A sentence, it tells a story. It's a complete thought. Non-sentence, it's not complete. So simply parang bitin, then that can be considered as non-sentence. If you are done with activity 1, let's proceed with activity 2. Activity 2, write T in the box if it is a telling sentence and A if asking sentence. So take note of how you can identify, how you can distinguish between the two, and then the punctuation mark that can be found at the end. Okay, number 1, can you sing and dance? Can you sing and dance? Next, number 2, we go to church on Sundays. We go to church on Sundays. Number 3, why are you here? Why are you here? Number 4, I will visit the dentist today. I will visit the dentist today. Number 5, I love to eat fruits and vegetables. I love to eat fruits and vegetables. Are you done until number 5? And let's proceed with activity 3. Activity 3, identify the kind of sentences in the box. Copy them in their proper group. So we have here five sentences, and then you are to write them in their proper group if it is a telling sentence or an asking sentence. So here are the sentences. Is the store still open? The cat ran after, kindly remove one T. The cat ran after the rat. I love to sing and dance. Are you happy? We will go to the beach. Okay, I will leave you here. So all you have to do is finish where to put each of these sentences, and then in their proper group. So if it is a telling or asking sentence, don't forget that you need to write it clearly, properly. So sana maayos ng pagkakasulat because we are now in third quarter. So I am expecting that you can write this more clearly now and a bit faster. So because when you reach grade 2, you are going to have your cursive. So dapat at the start of from kinder, you are learning how to write, and then in grade 1 dapat we are practicing a more clear handwriting and also a bit fast. Parang yung speed, not too slow in writing. Okay, that's it for English. Goodbye.